3D printer. (3D printing). 3D printing is the process of creating a three-dimensional object, usually done by systematically layering material on top of itself. The printer reads a digital file from the computer which dictates how to layer the material to build the object. How to 3D print. Depending on the specific print you are planning to do, there could be more or fewer steps in your process. But in general, 3D printing involves the following actions. Step 1. Create or find a design. The first step of 3D printing typically starts on a computer. You must create your design using a 3D design software, typically a CAD, computer-aided design, software. If you are unable to create the design yourself, you can also find many free resources online with free designs. Step 2. Export the STL file. Once you have created or chosen a design, you must either export or download the STL file. The STL file is what stores the information about your conceptual 3D object. Step 3. Choose your materials. Typically, you may have an idea about what kind of material you will use before you print. There are many different 3D printing materials available, and you can choose them based on the properties that you want your object to have. We will discuss this more in depth below. Step 4. Choose your parameters. The next step is then deciding on the different parameters of your object and the printing process. This includes deciding on the size and placement of your print. Step 5. Create the G-code. You will then import the STL file into a slicing software, like BCN 3D Cura. The slicing software will convert the information from the STL file into a G-code, which is a specific code containing exact instructions for the printer. Step 6. Print. This is when the magic happens. The printer will create the object layer by layer. Depending on the size of your object, your printer, and the materials used, the job can be done in a matter of minutes or over several hours. 3D print software. There are two important pieces of software for 3D printing, CAD and slicing software. Typically, you can use any CAD system that can create a functional model. CAD is essential if you want to create your own models and objects. You must be able to export an STL file from your CAD software. Advantages and development of 3D printing. Although it is a novel manufacturing technology, with its unique additive manufacturing method, 3D printing will surpass the traditional manufacturing process and become a new choice for future production. Shortening the production cycle. Manufacturing complex parts. Unlimited design and manufacturing space. Connect with Raise 3D. What are the pros of 3D printing? Flexible design. Rapid prototyping. Print on demand. Strong and lightweight parts. Fast design and production. Minimizing waste. Cost-effective. Ease of access. Environmentally friendly. Advanced healthcare. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.